Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting hardware ready. Place the Astro A50 base within reach and power your Xbox Series X. Connect the base using the correct cable, USB-C for newer bases, or optical with adapter for older units, because the console needs a direct audio link. Once connected, go to Xbox settings and set audio output to the base connection so voice and game audio route correctly. Make sure the base is on and the headset is charged. This prevents sync or low battery issues later. Now you pair and fine-tune audio. Press the base pairing button, then power the headset to trigger sync. LEDs will confirm pairing. Next, on the Xbox, go to Settings, then Volume and Audio Output, and choose the base's connection type. This ensures both game and chat channels arrive. Adjust chat/game balance on the base or headset so you hear teammates and game sound at comfortable levels. Also set mic monitoring low or off to avoid echo. This improves clarity for both you and other players. Finish with updates and checks. Connect the base to a PC and run Astro Command Center to apply firmware updates that fix latency or compatibility problems. Once done, test in a party or in-game voice chat and tweak EQ if needed. If you encounter no audio, make sure the base is powered, the USB/optical cable is secure, and the Xbox output matches the base. Reboot the Xbox and headset if needed. If the mic still fails, confirm it isn't muted, is fully lowered, and your Xbox privacy settings allow voice chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.